I've prepared the following ingredients: chopped kale, 2 carrots, red onion, Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of dry cranberries, and 1/2 cup of sliced almonds. First, put the sliced almonds into a pan and we're going to toast it. Spread it around and just give the almonds a little toss time to time. And as soon as they're done, transfer them into a bowl so they don't continue toasting and getting more dark. Now I'm going to chop the kale, and I'm using approximately 6 cups of the kale. Mine is already chopped, but I still want finer pieces, so I'm going to chop it further. Just make sure that you remove any thick stems, and we're going to use just the leaves. Just squeeze it together with your hands and then chop. Put the kale in a large bowl. Sprinkle the kale with salt. Add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And massage the kale. Now the kale has softened a little bit and it just gives it a nice texture. Now peel the carrots. Now I'm going to shred the carrots using the largest size shredder. Add the carrots to the kale. Take approximately 1/4 of red onion, or a little bit less if it's too large, and slice it. You can either chop it or slice it to very fine pieces. Split the onion into the salad. Shred the Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to use approximately 1/2 cup. And for shredding the cheese, I'm going to use the finer size of the shredder. Add the cheese, and because I want the cranberries to be spread all over the salad, I'm gonna chop them. Add the cranberries and add the toasted almonds. For the dressing, mix 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Mix together. Mix all the ingredients together and pour the dressing over. Thank you for watching and enjoy.